Hey, we're out here today taking a look at some filming locations for an upcoming little movie that we're going to do with the STI, once it's done, of course. So taking a look around the kind of east side of the province here. Brent knows that area fairly well, so hopefully find some great shots and whatnot.
There's a bit of that, isn't there?
I guess I'm done talking. Yeah, what we want to do is actually get out here on the dirt. What, you don't want to be in shot?
I thought you were trying to take a picture.
No, no, we're doing the intro stuff now.
Wrong guy to hide behind.
Okay, so we're thinking up here we got a gravel pit that we can take a look at, and it would probably be okay. Well, let's go take a look at that one, and then kind of make some plans. But I like this so far.
We got guys in the gravel pit right now, so
yeah, we can just go take a look.
We can go to the turn.
The turn is what we want.
Yeah.
More so.
So there's kind of an S up here, and yeah, we'll see what it looks like.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you get really good with the car and get brave, then you can go on this side where I'm going. Don't worry, you end up at the same place, and you can try splitting these nice concrete barriers.
Just shot out the window. Basically, if we screw up this turn, it's off the edge and into oblivion. It turns into that shot from Pikes Peak with the Evo going off, except it'll be an STI over and over and over. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I like the idea of like doing the block stuff where you go up and down. Okay, so we were going to give this a little bit of a try. I wanted to shoot it with the cameras and just kind of understand exactly what the truck would look like, or the car in the final shot would look like kind of coming up here. So kicked it out, gave a little bit of sideways action, but just trying to understand what the grip level was.
Blowing steadily, not bad, but it's pretty quick.
It's gusting.
Yeah, I think any other day, like where it's not this windy, I think we'd be okay. What did you want to do?
To answer Brent's question, I just wanted to see what the truck would look like moving at speed with the drone. The other thing we want to do is overall just test what the wind effects were going to be with the drone. It's out here on the prairies, so it was fairly gusty at elevation, and that would affect the drone's performance. So how did it work, guys? Pretty good?
It was okay. I was really fighting that wind.
Yeah.
And it's not my best work, but anyway, we'll take a look here.
You know, that's the first time anyone said that I was going too slow. So we got our second spot here. Taking a look at some curves. Definitely can find a line here. There's another curve right up there. Bit of wetland, so hopefully don't drop a wheel or anything like that, but I like this a lot. This is really good.
And they grade a little extra wide too.
Yeah.
So it's actually, it'll be pretty forgiving if you catch a wheel or something.
So right turn, 5, opens, cut. That's rally talk, isn't it?
Sure, yeah.
I mean, it does make sense, but
I don't know.
It's rally talk.
I don't know. I started playing dirt too, so I think it's right. I like that tree over there too. Like, that's really cool looking.
Just don't hit it.
No, but like, we could get some shots with the cars and stuff like that.
Yeah,
so
sure.
Okay. I like it. It's good call. Good call.
Pretty good, pretty wide open.
Yeah. so
that I'm aware of.
fence there.
Yeah, that is it. And the rest of it is just soup.
Okay.
And yeah, this probably isn't frozen. Well, it might.
So we're trying out this new little part of a road that we're gonna do, hopefully with the STI here pretty darn soon. Seeing if it's gonna make a good rally stage. So we're just giving a little try here. Slide it in, catch it by the tree. Yeah, I think that's gonna work out quite nicely.
Frozen the bottom now.
Right.
It's only about a foot deep at any given time. So.
But we have some at the beginning and the exit of this with radios, and
Yeah, for sure.
Well, you can see from one end to the
yeah,
other.
so we'll be safe. Okay.
So what are you looking for?
I like this turn. This complex here to there.
Okay.
I think that's gonna feel right. The entrance, I don't know. It gripped up really easily coming in here. So
You might want to.
I don't know.
Want to do it backward.
Yeah.
Lots of run up on that.
Oh yeah. So like come here, clip, track out. Then we can get a shot of like the car passing that tree. That'd be kind of cool. I like that.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all good. Because that way it is quite a jump if you come down that road and it's blind completely.
Yeah.
If you come that way. But this way is better. It's like a double apex, and then into this right hand, and then through here. So pretty good. And you got nothing. Like literally, if you go off, you got some barbed wire, a snowbank,
Low consequence.
a little bending.
Before you know it, we're gonna have a full tube frame chassis and
Reason for a bush bar. Easily bought.
I bought it because it was cheap, right?
A bunch of sheets of aluminum and-
Okay, cool. I like it. Okay. So I'll finish it up for this week's episode, guys. As always, like, subscribe, make comments, give those thumbs up. Anything that would help us with getting the YouTube algorithm to, of course, get us more in front of more audience. We're going to leave you here with a couple drone shots that Brent did. Just trying to figure out what the tracking shots would look like. And, check this out. He's a pretty darn good drone pilot, and really do appreciate his work on this. As well as Eric, he did some photography work with us. So hopefully we get the STI up and rolling here in the not too distant future, and are able to get out here and do some sideways action Gymkhana style / rally. But really looking forward to getting this on film and showing you guys. Hope you have a good week. Talk to you real soon.